God promises us that we are never alone. This can be found in Isaiah chapter 41, verse 10, where it says, "So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and I will help you, and I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." So this Bible verse reassures us to not live in fear or to be discouraged or dismayed, because that he is always with us. His presence is a source of our strength. His presence also comforts us and it guides us, right? So no matter what you're going through, remember that God is holding you in his powerful hands. Remember, you're never alone. God is with you. And like this video and subscribe for more reminders of God's presence with you each and every day.